Hello everyone, welcome to the Perry tutorial. Today we're going to install Bacchusmon. If you see in my description, you should see a link. It will send you to this website. All you gotta do is press download now and click here to download. I want to mention that this will not work if you're using Windows 7 and you should go to wiki to find more information. If you click here to download, you should see either save file or that is already downloaded. Then all you gotta do is wait for it to download, and then you should extract it. So all you gotta do is extract all. You can even extract with any extraction tool, but as long as you extract, we got directly into the file, and we just need to press the Bacchusmod setup. It will ask if we allow this app, and we do, so we can install Bacchusmod. You press OK, then the wizard should come up, and you just I do not have the create desktop checked off, but if you want to have a desktop shortcut, you can do that. Then you just install and you wait for it to install finished. Once install finished, you should just say yes, and it will send you to this antivirus, but you should just ignore it and go on. Anyway, after you should have the launch Bacchusmod to see if everything is working. You press finish, and Bacchusmod will then instantly get launched. As you see here, we have Bacchusmod. I can switch off all these. After installing Bacchusmod, you should launch Rocket League and not the other way around, because Bacchusmod works a lot better if it starts before Rocket League starts. So anyway, we launch Rocket League. Let me pull that in here, and when it's here, yeah, if you press F2, it should come up a menu, and that will be the Bacchusmod menu. So if you press F2, you will have all the modes, custom training, free play. You can have items. If you enable the item mod, you can have any decal, any wheels, anything you want. That's Bacchusmod. You have successfully installed Bacchusmod for Windows 10. Yeah, and yeah, it's a pretty straightforward tutorial. That's why this video was pretty short, but that's it. So link in the description, as I said, and stay tuned for more videos.